Hello friends, today we are going to do an experiment based on centripetal force. Centripetal force is a force that pulls the object inside, causing it to move in a circular motion. Let's do the experiment. In this you need the coin and a balloon. First put the coin inside the balloon. And then blow and tie the balloon. Now you need to shake the balloon, and then after that spin it in circular motion. See, the coin is spinning.
Can you show one more time? Can you tell why this is happening?
It is happening because of centripetal force.
So, do we have another example?
Yes, the main example is Earth revolving around the sun. Thanks for watching.